Understanding Fate's Design, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase, Fate's Design. This phrase can be a bit tricky, but it's a beautiful example of how English can use poetic and metaphorical language. So, let's dive in and understand what Fate's Design really means. Fate's design refers to the idea that certain events or outcomes in life are predetermined or controlled by a higher power or destiny. The word fate implies something that is destined to happen, beyond human control. Design, on the other hand, suggests a plan or pattern. So, when combined, Fate's design is about the belief that there is a plan or purpose behind the events that occur in our lives. Understanding how to use Fate's design in a sentence is crucial. It's often used in a reflective or philosophical context. For example, they believe their meeting was not just coincidence, but rather Fate's design. As he looked back on his life's unexpected turns, he wondered if it was all part of Fate's design. In these examples, the phrase adds a layer of depth and introspection about life's journey and the forces that might be guiding it. It's helpful to know similar phrases or synonyms. Destiny's plan, the will of fate, preordained path. These expressions can be used interchangeably with Fate's design, but may carry slightly different nuances. So, that's a wrap on Fate's design. It's a poetic way to talk about destiny and the mysterious forces that might guide our lives. I hope this video has helped you understand and use this beautiful English phrase. Keep practicing, and you'll master the art of English in no time. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.